Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made these two easy DIYs, and one is inspired by something I saw at Target. It's actually a mini plant stand. I made it a little shorter, but I absolutely love it, and I'm seeing that the risers is all the rage right now. So let's jump into this tutorial. So the first one, I started off with some scrap strips that I had on hand. You can use the rulers from Dollar Tree or also the paint stirrer sticks, and they were already cut down to size. You can cut these to whatever size. You can make them smaller, larger, however you feel, and whatever suits your style and decor, and you just glue them together, making a box. Once I had it even and dried, I took some jumbo popsicle sticks that I also had on hand, and I cut them down to size to fit the bottom of the box. I used 4 jumbo popsicle sticks, but if you're making this larger, you can use more, or you can even use paperboard, foam core board. You can even use more of the strips if you do have that. Anything you feel could work in your favor that you have on hand would work. And I just glued those down as well. I tried to get them as even as possible, and then I placed something heavy on top of them to keep them down. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Feel free to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and also the notification bell so be notified every time I upload a video. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and occasional videos for collabs and challenges. I absolutely love how this mini riser turned out. It doesn't hold a lot, but it looks super cute. I did make a larger one for a previous DIY, but for some reason everything got deleted, and I'm just redoing it so that you can see how it's done on a smaller scale. Then I took some of my white acrylic paint and I gave the entire thing, except for the bottom, 2 coats. You can stain this if you want. The larger one that I previously did, I did stain it, but I wanted more of a whitewash aged look piece compared to the stained one that I already have. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos. Share with your friends and family. It really do helps my channel out a lot. I really do appreciate all the love I've been receiving here on my channel with all my new subscribers and even my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. And I'm on my way to 800 subscribers. I can't wait to reach 1,000. I've been trying to reach 1,000 subscribers for the longest while, and I'm on my way there. So thank you all so much. So I did add some legs to my risers, but apparently I lost the footage for that, and I just took some wine corks that I had and I glued those on. So for the next DIY, I took my mini cutting board that I already had on hand as well, and I use my shoe polish as a stain, as I usually do, and I cut some dowels down to about 8 inches, and I stained those as well. This is the thickest dowel that I had. I think it's 3/4 to an inch thick, so I used that. I did use my miter box to cut it down. I would leave that in the description as well, and all the materials. Once I had everything completely dried, I just placed the dowels where I needed them to be, and I took some of my done up glue that's almost done, and I placed a generous amount onto the dowels, to the bottom of the dowels, and I placed them where I needed them. I did adjust them to suit. They were 13 centimeters apart. I did measure them after a while, and you can see me fiddling trying to get them as even as possible, but they still were looking a little wonky trying to measure them as I am doing here. So I did measure 13 centimeters apart, and that worked, and I left them to completely dry. You can add screws or nails to these to make it even sturdier, but I didn't, and it do hold. It's not a real plant but a faux plant on it with rocks inside of it as well. And as I said, these were super easy, super fun to do, very quick. The only problem, they took a little while to dry, and I am in love with them. And here you see I added legs to the riser. That were some wine corks that I cut down to size. I cut in half. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay safe. See you in the next one. Bye.